Hiya, James Braithwaite here in sunny Timperley, and here we are. This is what I've been working on ish. I've fitted new tyres and new blades to it. It's pretty much back from the dead because this Corsa D has been languishing for 2 years. So just a bit of a juice up, and it leapt into life. So, I can't ask for anything more, really. Look at it. It's very nicely equipped. I've not road tested this, unfortunately, but I think this is the biggest of the Corsas, but I'm not too sure. Certainly the boot's bigger. I mean, the Corsa over its years morphed into so many different sizes, usually bigger every time. So let's one last look at how it looks. Pity I haven't got any before pictures. Anyway, I shall see you in the next one. Bye.